Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a natural and effective way to clear your sinuses and alleviate that stuffy nose. If you're tired of relying on over-the-counter remedies and want to try something different, then you're in the right place. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Sinus congestion and a stuffy nose can be incredibly uncomfortable and interfere with your daily life. There are several remedies available, ranging from over-the-counter medications to home remedies, to alleviate the symptoms of sinus congestion. One effective technique to drain sinuses and clear a stuffy nose is through the use of diluted kimchi juice and Spanish black radish. In this video, we will explore what causes sinus congestion and a stuffy nose, the benefits of using diluted kimchi juice and Spanish black radish to alleviate these symptoms, and how to properly use these remedies. Sinus congestion and a stuffy nose can be uncomfortable and interfere with daily life. While there are several remedies available, natural remedies, such as diluted kimchi juice and Spanish black radish, can help alleviate symptoms and reduce inflammation in the nasal passages. Diluted kimchi juice. Kimchi is a Korean dish made with fermented cabbage, red pepper flakes, garlic, ginger, and other seasonings. The fermentation process produces lactic acid bacteria, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Diluted kimchi juice can be used as a nasal rinse to help clear the sinuses and reduce inflammation in the nasal passages. To make a nasal rinse with diluted kimchi juice, mix 1 tablespoon of kimchi juice with 1 cup of distilled water. Use a neti pot or nasal spray bottle to irrigate the nasal passages. Tilt your head to one side and gently pour the solution into one nostril. Let the solution flow through the nasal passages and out the other nostril. Repeat on the other side. Spanish black radish. Spanish black radish is a type of radish that is commonly used in traditional medicine to treat respiratory infections and congestion. It contains high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which may help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of sinus congestion and a stuffy nose. Here are a few ways to use Spanish black radish to alleviate sinus congestion. Eat Spanish black radish. One of the simplest ways to use Spanish black radish is to simply eat it. You can slice it thinly and add it to salads, or grate it and mix it with honey to create a natural cough syrup. Make a nasal rinse with diluted kimchi juice and Spanish black radish. To make a nasal rinse with diluted kimchi juice and Spanish black radish, mix 1 tablespoon of grated Spanish black radish with 1 tablespoon of diluted kimchi juice and 1 cup of distilled water. Use a neti pot or nasal spray bottle to irrigate the nasal passages. Tilt your head to one side and gently pour the solution into one nostril. Let the solution flow through the nasal passages and out the other nostril. Repeat on the other side. Make a poultice with Spanish black radish. To make a poultice with Spanish black radish, grate a small amount of Spanish black radish. Apply the grated radish to a cloth or bandage. Apply the cloth or bandage to the affected area, such as the sinuses or chest. Cover the grated radish with a cloth or bandage and leave it in place for 20 to 30 minutes. Use Spanish black radish oil. Spanish black radish oil is available in supplement form and can be taken orally or applied topically. The oil is extracted from the seeds of the radish and contains high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Taking Spanish black radish oil supplements may help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of sinus congestion and a stuffy nose. While diluted kimchi juice and Spanish black radish are generally safe to use, there are some precautions to keep in mind. If you have a known allergy to any of the ingredients in kimchi or Spanish black radish, do not use these remedies. Do not use nasal rinses if you have a nasal obstruction or severe nasal congestion. Always use distilled water for nasal rinses to avoid introducing harmful bacteria into the nasal passages. If you experience any adverse reactions, such as rash or itching, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel for more natural health and wellness tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We love hearing from our viewers. Until next time, stay healthy and breathe easy.